Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up with the sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Happy St. Patrick's Day. As you can see, I'm trying to be within theme with my lovely rainbow spirit jersey here. But I do have a couple things to share with you today. One of them being, of course, a loungefly, specifically one that is totally within theme, and without giving too much away too soon, I'm so excited to be adding this loungefly to my collection. It is going to be part of the 20 that I have set for myself. But as you'll come to see, I obviously did not stick to that number, but in my mind, this is within the canon of the 20 that I've originally chosen, not anything outside of that 20. I'm putting in a different category just to ease my mind that I have not gone off the deep end on the loungefly craze. Before I get into that, however, I do want to go ahead and share some luck of the Irish that I ended up getting, and that was this surprise gift from this YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is called Button Eyed Smile, and I'll put her name across here. Also, we'll link her information down below. She does customized loungeflies, and she is so talented and so amazing. Her prints are so cute, and at first when I found out like someone like literally was buying loungefly bags and just covering them up, I was like, what? That kind of blew my mind, but then I was like, wow, no, she's right. She's great that she goes and actually gets bags that she wants versus having to wait, because honestly not all the loungefly designs are what people care for. So because of that, I thought it was great and appropriate that she go ahead and do her thing. And because she does customized items, and she has seen that I've done a couple unboxings of Sailor Moon, she sent me this wonderful customized wallet of Sailor Moon. And it's actually, they're in chibi style, and you can see Luna here and the wand, and then of course my dude here, tuxedo mask, and then of course Sailor Venus and Artemis, and then a peek of Sailor Mercury, and then you can see Sailor Moon's head there, but she also makes it part of the spine. And then on the other side we have Sailor Chibi Moon. So pretty. Look at those eyes, gorge. And then another Luna, and then of course it continues with Sailor Venus there. Very cool. Love it. The inside is just plain black, but it's very practical. Love the accordion style of the inside, and I just love the sparkle. There's so much sparkle on this. Look at all that sparkle. Wow. Gorgeous. Love. I do have 2 Sailor Moon bags, so this is great. This will go perfectly in my collection. Because I haven't actually seen wallets for those bags, so I will actually link up a video of one of them, and so you see what I'm talking about. But this is perfect. Thank you so much. She did add this little note that she said, spreading good karma to great people. Hope you enjoy your surprise wallet, Button Eyed Smile. And yes, I totally was surprised. Came out of left field that she actually hit me up on Instagram, and at first I thought, like, is this a scam? Because I don't have luck. Like, I go to I don't have luck like that. So it felt really cool to be selected, and this is a beautiful wallet. I just love it. It's so cute. Okay, thank you again so much. So here is the Loungefly exclusive that I've got from loungefly.com. Let's go ahead and see what's in it. So we can already tell what it is. Yes, let me just take him out. As you know, sometimes these items just sit here and I don't get a chance to look at them. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get to that when I get to it, but oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Yes, I did end up getting Good Luck Bear, this Loungefly exclusive, and he is so soft. Oh, like all this is flocked. Oh my gosh. Yes. Beautiful. Love the shamrock and love the face. Look at the heart nose. So cute. The ears are beautiful. And I love, like, this is the pleather, faux leather portion, but the hands are fuzzy and it's fuzzy all around, and so like it's just velvety. Like, And and it goes all the way to the back as well. Look at the back, little bum, little tail, and the Care Bears embroidered there. And then the straps are so cute with the shamrocks. You can see here, it does say Care Bears. So great. And the solid bottom here, the green. Green is my favorite color, so I just knew I had to have this. Silver hardware, for those of you who are a fan of silver. And then let's take a peek on the inside. And on clouds and stars, and so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute. Oh my goodness. And there is no zipper, there's just a pocket. You know, they spent the money on the outside with that extra. Like, we're not gonna add another zipper, we just go ahead and give them that fur lining, so it's all good, the outer lining. And it's okay, it works out. It's not a big deal, because this is actually a nice big front size pocket. Like, huge, to be honest. It's one of the biggest ones I've seen. And it has the same print on the inside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love the white of that plaque. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. You know, without the enamel plaque, sometimes they just don't pop as well, but this one is so beautiful, and I'm gonna be so afraid to use this, but you know, I gotta use it. I have to use it, He's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And of course, you know, I like a set, so I had to get the wallet. Here's the wallet. So, as you know how these go, it's pretty much the bag of a smaller version. But yeah, I just love a set, so I cannot, if there's a matching wallet, I must have it. Because as a collector, it just makes more sense. Like, to pick and choose, sometimes it's, I don't know why people just like get one versus the other, but do you? But the face on this wallet is adorable. I love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay. And then of course, you see the cutout here is the 4-leaf clover. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. This bag is so on theme. It's ridiculously cute. And let's see here. Yes. So the lining is this lining is what's in the backpack, and it's just so cute. 4 slots for the cards, and then I love this feature. This is for the change, and it's like zippered, so like no change is falling out. I love that. I don't know if that's a new feature. I'm not really paying attention to the wallets, but that is an A++ feature for me. And like, these feel so stinking soft. I have 2 other Care Bear bags, so let's go ahead and take a look at those. These are the other 2 Care Bear bags I own. This one is the Danny Nicole. I've shown this one off before on the channel. This is for Funshine Bear, and it's just the tummy of Funshine Bear, but then it has like the ear details, right? This is again a Danny Nicole, so it's not going to be, you know, as detailed sometimes, but it does have the fur, and it's beautiful. And obviously, this is actually my favorite Care Bear. But then I have this one that I got for Christmas. I have not shown on the channel, but of course it's Grumpy Bear. And this one is from Hot Topic, and he's so cute, so cute. And this one's more my personality. I try to strive for Funshine Bear, but this is mostly sometimes what you get. And it's kind of, you know, like, I don't want to use it in the rain, because even though it's raining right now, but this is so cute. This is a loungefly, but it just has the leather tag, but still very, very cute. I still need the wallet that goes to this one. It's a card wallet, but it was a gift, so they didn't know. And it was sold out actually around the time. But so as you can see, my little bear family is growing, and I'm just obsessed with them all, and I cannot wait to get more. And no, pretty bad, but YOLO. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. 75% of you are not subscribed who are viewing my channel, and I think that should change. Please go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And please comment down below. Do you own this bag? Do you love that it's a limited edition or limited release? Should Loungefly continue to be on that trend? Are there too many Loungeflies to keep up with? How's your wallet doing? Is it hurting like mine? But do you like Care Bears? Do you have any of these Care Bear bags that I showed today? Please comment down below. Please remember to be safe. Tell someone that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.